Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable Streamer Mode on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. Streamer Mode is a great feature that helps protect your privacy and keeps your personal information hidden while streaming, so that your viewers only see what you want them to. Let's get started right away. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the Discord app on your computer. Once the app is fully loaded, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your username, your profile picture, and right next to it is a small gear icon. This gear icon is the shortcut to your user settings, and that's where we'll find the option for Streamer Mode. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking, you'll be taken into the settings menu with a lot of different options on the sidebar. Scroll down just a bit until you find the section labeled Streamer Mode. This is where you can manage everything related to streaming safely on Discord. Click on the Streamer Mode option to open it. Once you're in the Streamer Mode settings, you'll see a toggle that says Enable Streamer Mode. Simply switch this on. As soon as you enable it, Discord will automatically start protecting sensitive information such as your email, connected accounts, notifications, and invite links. This makes sure nothing private accidentally pops up while you're broadcasting live. You can also explore the additional customization options right below the toggle. These let you choose exactly what you'd like to hide while streaming, such as disabling sounds, blocking pop-ups, and hiding personal details. Adjusting these settings ensures your audience has a smooth and distraction-free viewing experience, while you can focus on interacting with your community. And that's all it takes. Just open the Discord app, click the gear icon, head into Streamer Mode, and enable it. With this update, Discord keeps it simple and user-friendly, so you're ready to go live without any stress. Thanks for watching.